Hi there. So in the last video, we talked about keyword stuffing and we touched a little bit on linking, but we're going to talk about linking in more in depth. So what is linking and why does it matter? Well, first of all, what are links? Links are a very important part of SEO. There is a direct correlation between the quality and the quantity of your links and how much search engine traffic the site receives. The more links a business has, the more search traffic they get. The more search traffic they get, the more customers they have. That just makes sense, right? So the difference between inappropriate and inappropriate links. Now, in the last video, we used the example of linking the words bologna sandwich to a product page on a website for a high chair. That is an inappropriate link. The two don't have anything to do with each other. And this is a link that Google would view as a spam link in an attempt to get a higher search engine ranking. So an appropriate link for our newborn babies post might be including the word pacifier and then linking to a product page for pacifiers, or including the word high chair and then linking to a product page for a high chair. There are a couple of reasons for this. Pacifiers and high chairs and newborn babies go together. It's very likely that the word pacifier would be in a post about caring for newborn babies, and the same is true for the word high chair. The word that is used as the anchor text is connected to the appropriate page. That's very important too. So how many links are needed? Now this is something that's always changing in SEO, and it can vary from client to client. Some clients they have a specific number they're looking for. Others don't care as much. It just depends. But it used to be that businesses only wanted about 1 to 5% of the word count to be links. Any more than that, and Google viewed it as spam, but that is not the case today. Today, the more links the post has or the web page has, the better. As long as they're appropriate, they're viewed as valuable to the post or the web page. So where do you link to? It's very important to pay attention to the types of links that you place within a post. The number one rule is to stay away from competitors' sites. You never want to link to a business's competitor, even if they aren't located anywhere near the business. So, for example, if I'm writing a blog post for a car accident attorney, I would not want to link to another attorney's website, even if they were located way across the country. You just don't want to do that. Links should be a combination of internal and external pages. So examples of internal pages include the website's services page, their home page, different blog posts that they have on their site, maybe their contact page. Examples of external pages: you want to stick to high authority sites as much as you can. It used to be that WebMD was considered to be a high authority site. That can vary based on the client. I have one client that I write for, my main client, and they used to always have me linking to WebMD, but that changed in the last year. So that one's not always a good one to link to. It depends on the client preference. The same is true for Wikipedia. Some view that as like the ultimate, kind of like an encyclopedia, but their information isn't always accurate. So again, you'd want to check with the client to see what their feelings are on that. But any .gov page, .edu page, news stories, those are awesome. Press releases are often good. You just want to make sure there isn't any competitor information in there. So links are vital, and they build digital roads to other locations on the internet. Google sees that as a good thing. It doesn't even matter if people are following them. If nobody ever clicks on that link that you put in, the fact that it's there is good. And what really matters is that in your writing, you're providing the reader with additional information, which is exactly what Google wants you to do. So that's the information you need to know on linking. If you need help, learning how to create a link, that's something that we can discuss. But the next video, we're going to talk about writing a blog post. So I will see you there.